Hey family, new year, happy new year, new me. Hopefully it's a new year, new you. But I am about to meal prep. I'm not using any salt, well, not any added salt to my dishes. So you can just see what I make for the week, as I am a bus driver. So just go along with me right now and get ready to make some homemade chicken noodle soup. And I'll show you step by step what I do. Right now I'm sauteing some onions. And I was like, should I put some Mrs. Dash in here? I don't know, because I don't think it's gonna matter. I don't think you're gonna be able to taste it. Some chicken broth in here. And just get this brewing. And these meals are super easy. And I just, I already boiled some chicken as well. So I'll add that in there in a second. So this is the chicken I cut up. No salt, only Mrs. Dash. I used the lemon pepper Mrs. Dash and a chipotle Mrs. Dash. But no salt on the chicken, and it still tastes good, tastes flavorful. It's just not saltiness, you know. The Pyrex dishes that I'm going to be using, I like Pyrex because it's not plastic, it's glass. So that's good for like when you're heating up and everything. So I'll just wash these and put these to the side. And now I'm about to put the cream of mushroom soup inside of the chicken broth. And it's just a small can, it's 10.5 ounces. And you see I used one container of this. I thought I was going to use more than one container, but I don't know, we'll see. And then with this too, also you put in a cup of water as well. It looks nasty right now, but it'll mix in nicely. Checking on the chicken. And I do this just to get the flavor of the onions and everything inside the chicken. I just like everything simmering together. I would use celery, but I'm scared. Ever since Thanksgiving, when them bugs was crawling up that celery, boy, I was like, no, no, no. I'm scared. Now I'm about to add the chicken and the onions to the broth. Just letting all that get in there and cooking there ever so lovely. Just stir that in there. All them flavors up in there. Now I'm about to pour half a bag of this no yolk egg white noodles right into there. Just half a bag. The other half we'll use for another time. Just stir it in there. And one trick I do to keep my noodles from getting soggy, I just cut it off and just let it sit. Make sure you cover it. Forgot to mention that. Make sure you cover it. Some sliced carrots in a can. So these are ready to go in the pot. remember the pot is off. So this is just the steam from when it was simmering. Yeah. Next, I'm using this spring mix. It says pre-wash, but I still rinse it off. Chicken. I wouldn't call it that. It's fine, and that's what I realized yesterday. No, yesterday that's what made me realize that no, it is about being fine because it's letting me know that you took care less. So when you make that comment, when you make that very comment, that's letting me know. So what? As if there's no value here. So if there's no value, then let's treat it like there's no value. Okay, well, okay, well that's fine. You said you feel that. Okay, well, sorry to hear that. So I decided to do a voiceover on this part because this is just a true testament that life is not perfect. I'm still going through things, and I'm going through a separation, and we are not in the best place right now. So right here, I'm going to start to plate. So I'm just using a small container because I don't have a big spoon. So I'm using a small glass Tupperware jar to pour my soup in, and I just use about 2 scoops of this, like the smallest size of the Tupperware, and that is my serving size for lunch. So either I'll eat it for lunch or I'll eat it for dinner. I don't know. It all depends on how I feel during the week, and I'll just store those away. But the leftovers, of course, they can be for dinner or for the kids, whoever wants to eat the leftovers that's in the pot. So I didn't see the green machine, but these are just as good. And these are Boathouse smoothie drinks. They are so good. So we finally finished. Got my salad, my soup, my macaroni spaghetti, my oranges, my blackberries, yogurt, granola as I go out throughout the week, and also my smoothie drink. But I'll just figure out what I want and I'll just grab it. But it's good to prep on Sunday. That way through the week I'm not cooking.